Hi everyone and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Today we're going to make some high protein date bars, a really easy to prepare and delicious snack for on the go. So let's get started. We're going to need a blender like this, which is almost like a food processor, has these blades on just there. Into this we're going to add some dates. So pop your dates into the blender. Some oats. Now the oats are just going to help the blades of the blender really cut up those dates and make a really beautiful smooth paste that's going to form into the date bar. A load of cashew nuts here. Get these into the blender, just force that down. There we are. And some cocoa powder. So it's going to add some nice bitterness and richness. Time to blend. So get your, and we're just going to pulse this. So this is going to make beautiful fine powder. So let's just lift that up, pour that mix. Okay, let's move our blender out of the way, and we have this sandy consistency of the mix. Just going to drop in there some almond butter. Nice. Couple of tablespoons, and then a little bit of oat milk, just to bind that all together. Now you're going to need to get your hands in here, so just going to incorporate all of that mix. You're going to really want to work this. It's almost like a dough. Next up, we're going to take our lined dish, dump your mix into there, and we'll just press this out. Make sure you just work that into the corners. A little bit more cling film. Just place that on top. I'll squeeze that down. Right, and there we are. That's ready to go into the fridge to set. Okay, so we're just going to grab our date mix from the fridge once it's been set. We'll just turn this out. We can just and there we are. You can wrap these up, take them on the go. Beautiful, high protein, great for a post-workout, pre-workout. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.